welcome to our class. Today we are going to see the overview of our English speaking course. Okay,
Okay.
so am I audible?
Yes.
Do you able to see the slide, the movement
Yes,
of
sir.
cursor on your screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. In today's class, I will explain you the all the curriculum of our English speaking course. So basically, you can say this is our demo class where you will get to know about the duration, about the topic, everything, the resource which I am going to use in our English speaking course. So I will use both like bilingual. I will explain Hindi as well as in English. So let's start. First, let me tell you about me. My name is Vijay Sahu, and I have been taking classes for English speaking, English grammar, or interview preparation, resume making, and many sessions I have been conducting of college
Yes.
students, working professionals. So, by profession, I am a software engineer, but by passion, I am a teacher. Okay, I love to
Okay.
teach, I love to share my knowledge. That's why I am taking your class. Along with, I am doing my job.
Yes.
If I talk about my teaching experience, I have, I have given my 2 years at my own coaching classes at Rajin, where I got chance to train 80 plus students there. So I learned a lot from them, and I got real experience. What are the things? What are the challenge Hindi medium students generally face? Then when they try to speak in English, or then when he want to learn any English, then have I worked 6 months at Kalinga University during my internship, and then I took classes at Chanakya Foundation, one of training institute in Bhilai. So overall, I have 3 years of experience where I have given my service. But along with you know offline training or offline conducted classes, I have been taking online sessions too. So my training style is, I really want to be a practical. I don't want to be a theoretical class. Okay, because English
Yes.
is a language. Until and unless you try to speak, listen, and repeat, you will not going
Yes.
to learn. So I will try all the lessons, whatever the concept we will learn, you will use practically. Conversation based learning, exactly. Focus on building confidence, not just grammar concept, because at the end,
Yes.
there you will see there are so many persons or students who know every rule of the grammars. They can solve, they can translate the sentence, they can solve any English grammatical question, but it's come when it's come to time to speak somebody in front of somebody or in front of group, they lack the confidence, right? So confidence also a very important part of communication skill or English speaking learning journey. So
Yes.
um like do you ever is there any noise Uh, are you comfortably able to hear me, right? Is there any noise,
Yes.
interruption, or anything, background noise,
Mm,
which
no, no.
which are bothering you? Okay, no. Okay, so let's continue. And I
Yes.
will also use real life situations. As I told you, until and unless we practice real life situations, then you will get only knowledge, experience, as well as the context. Then gradually you will increase your confidence too. So that is my teaching style.
Yes.
If I talk about why I am doing this, because I am a software engineer, so I am taking this English classes, and why I am teaching, because my mission, or if in the my deep down in my heart, I always want to help learners, or I want to contribute something to the others who are growing, who are try to learn thing, and they want to
Yes.
achieve something in their life. So I want to contribute to them through my knowledge, through my experience. That's why I'm taking classes, to to make English as a tool for their personal growth and career growth. Obviously, that's why I'm taking English class, and believes in learning with fun, interaction, and positivity. That is also
Yes.
a main reason why I'm taking classes, and inspired by seeing students transform their communication. So this make me happy, feel motivated, energized. That's why I used to take classes. Now, one important thing you will get to know from my class, I will integrate technology. I will use AI tools, how we can leverage, how we can use these modern technology, AI tools, apps, chat
Yes.
gpt. There are so many AI tools to personalize lessons, or to practice more, to remove or overcome hesitations. So we will use apps, online platform, chat based practice, and we will also track your progress, where you are lacking, and what in which section. Like if you lack on vocabulary, we will more work on your vocabulary. If you will do more mistake on grammatical, then we will work on grammatical as well. So everything we will track. So that is my complete information about me, my mission, my training style, my teaching experience, my profession, passion, and the resource I am going to use. Now let's move to the next steps, which is I have already, as I would like to know little bit about yourself, Gajendra. Can you introduce me yourself?
Yes, sir. So my name is Gajendra Kumar Yadav
Hmm.
from Garia Banchura,
Okay.
and I am a CA student of foundation.
Okay. So you have cleared the. Uh,
Okay, I cleared the CA foundation and I am now learning our CA intermediate.
okay. So you have successfully cleared the foundation. Now you are preparing for intermediate. Very congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. So great. Anything else
Yes,
you want to add?
and no, I
Okay, great. So apart from you, Gajendra, like uh, you have just told me about your intro part, Gajendra Yadav, and where you in where your hometown you have told me. um, I would like to know, what is your hobby, or anything which you like to do on your free time, or what is your
yes,
aim for the 5 or 10 years, where you want to see your career or growth. You should also
yes,
include
my
that part in your intro. That's why I'm asking.
yes. Mm. My main hobbies are just like playing cricket and listening music,
Okay.
and my main aim is become a CA, a perfect CA,
Hmm.
and I love to being a cricketer. I am very interesting on cricket.
Okay, so you love to watch cricket or you like to play the cricket?
I love to play the cricket.
Okay, both. Like you enjoy by watching the cricket as well as to play the cricket, right?
Yes,
Great. You know, every hometown students or every boy's dream is to become a cricketer when they were child. Even I also think.
yes, obviously.
So that is true. So okay, great. um, so you want to become a CA, chartered accountant, for you want to work
Yes,
on big MNCs like Deloitte, Infosys,
yes,
Wipro, TCS. Even you can also crack some government exam. So that is a great aim, and for that you need to work on your communication as well as English, and you need to groom your personalities so that you can
yes,
um, crack the interviews. So we will focus on that, and definitely you will get lots of knowledge, lots of things to learn, and it will definitely help out in your future, your career, whatever the goal you have decided.
yes,
Now, the mistakes part,
yes,
I have observed the some mistakes mostly our students, especially who are completed their education from Hindi medium background, they generally do these kind of mistakes. Mistake number first. Uh, Now you this image is visible to you.
yes,
Now, learning English as a subject instead of as a language. So now the point is, why I am telling you about these mistakes. I am telling this mistake because until and unless you knew, uh, you until and unless you know what where is the problem when you try to learn any language, what are the problems generally mostly students do who are from Hindi medium. If you are also
yes,
doing the same mistakes, then definitely you'll need to know and you'll need to overcome that mistakes. So
yes,
learning English as a subject, most of the time, from the our nursery to college life, we generally study English as a subject, not as a language. That's the reason. There is that is the main reason. Even a student who is brilliant, who got 100 of 99 out of 100, but he is not able to speak in English, because they
yes,
have just learned grammar rules. They have just cram all the answers, essays, and perform written in the exam. So they have done good reading
yes,
and writing, but they have not done the practice for speaking. So here in the our class, we are not going to learn the English same way. We will not focus on more on English as a subject, but we will focus on as a language. And now
yes,
let me tell you, when we learn any language, two action which we need to perform. First, speak and listen and think.
yes,
So treating English like just another school subject, like memorizing the rules, writing the exams, don't make you fluent. No, nothing, it will not work. That's the reason you are not able to speak in English, because you already know the tense rule, grammars rule, prepositions, conjunctions, determiners,
yes,
but you are not able to form the sentence. So here you'll need to do like a language every time, anywhere you are everywhere, anytime, wherever you are, you can learn language, you can use language. Like even you are, if you are watching movies, you will get new words. Even you are
Yes.
eating fruit, you can think it in English. So language you will not just use in exam hall or a school or college campus, you will use everywhere, even a hotel, even a mobile or mobile shop, anywhere, even interviews. So for that, language is everywhere. So for that you need to speak and listen and think. If you will do three tasks regularly, definitely any language you can learn. Like a child never like a 2 or 3 years child, like a 3 or 4 years
Yes.
child, what they generally do, they listen their parents, their family members, and try to repeat their words, right?
Yes.
Gradually parents and family members correct them if they mispronounce the words. Gradually they learn, they perfectly learn any language. So same way,
Yes.
you don't need to learn any grammar or grammatical rule, you just need to listen and repeat all the words.
Things.
So now this is the first mistake. If you are doing, you'll need to stop here. You'll, from today's onward, you'll need to learn English as a language, not as a
Language.
subject. Got it?
Subject. Yes.
Do you have any question?
No. I.
No, I don't have.
Yes. I don't have.
Great. Let's move ahead into second mistake, which is learning English the same way they learn Hindi. Now when this is one of the main reason of Hindi medium student
Yes.
to, they are not able to learn English language. They try to translate their native language sentences into English. When you try to translate, it will take
Yes.
lots of time to put all the grammar structure, right word, right prepositions, everything. And when you speak, it not feel natural. Then you lose your confidence and you just lose
Yes.
lose the hope, lose the confidence, everything put in the garbage. क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
Yes.
भाड़ में जाए. उसके बाद आप जो है डे टू डे, यू गॉट बिजी इन योर डे टू डे रूटीन. So
Yes.
you don't need to do that. You need to focus. There is some mistakes
Okay.
you are doing. You are trying to learn English as a the same way you have learned the Hindi language. Like Hindi, in Hindi subject, we have lots of matras. We have lots of consonant, vowels, akshar, matraएं. There we need to pronounce each and every matras, right?
Yes.
Even a small matra you need to pronounce. Ansik, Ankus, even a Chandra Bundu you need to pronounce. But in English, just opposite. There are so many letters which you need to make silent. You don't need to pronounce. If you will pronounce, it will feel awkward. And you
Okay.
will, if you not pronounce correctly, the other person will not understand what actually you want to say. Then it's
Yes.
create one miscommunication. So spoken English need real time practice, not just book study. And
Yes.
focus on speaking, listening, thinking in English every day. This will make your English better, not just reading and translation. Got my point?
Yes.
Now let's move to the next mistakes. That is translating every sentence from the native language. Let's suppose you used to speak Chhattisgarhi in your ghar. in your
Yes.
house with family members, your friends, but now you are trying to speak in English. Then your mind will, what your mind will do, they will just, you have learned some grammatical rule, so on that grammatical structure you will try to make a sentence,
Yes.
right? When you try to make a sentence, it will take lots of time. So you will find some right grammatical rule, preposition, words, and this make your, communication and word speaking very slow, and it will slow you down and make sentence unnatural. So that is also not a correct way to learn English or any language. So practice thinking directly in English using simple words. So translation will not make your English better.
Yes.
Simply, yeah, the fourth mistake, ignoring pronunciation practice. Yeah, like if you want to make yourself based on something, you need to do practice, right? If suppose you
Yes.
want to play guitar, if you
Yeah.
read all the chapters, rules, or everything, notebook or manual, you will get to know like how the, um, uh,
Yes.
make the strings or everything, but you will not able to create a good sound from the guitar, right?
Yes.
Because it's required practice. Similarly, when you want to make muscles on your body, you need to do consistently practice, right? Similarly,
Yes.
pronunciation required lots of repetition practice, then your tongue will get to used to. So good speaking also means good listening. Wait for the other person to
Yes.
finish before they replying, and whatever the word you are speaking, if you are not pronouncing in correct way, then other people will not understand, and this will make awkwardness and the misunderstanding. Okay,
Yes.
like a daya bahan, or Jethalal,
Yes. I,
they are not able
there
to
is.
understand English word, like impossible, not
Yes.
mention, like whenever Babita ji say not mention, means they are
Yes.
saying I am okay, I can do, I am comfortable,
Yes.
you can carry on. But Daya Bhabi understand not mention means no. So that is
Yes.
also a big problem in Jethalal, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So okay,
Yes.
so that is also mistakes. Now the next one is relying on written English instead of speaking English. Now, most of the time, Hindi medium student, what they do, whatever the words and new rule they will heard, like they will learn from anywhere, they will just make notes. They will write down somewhere.
Yes.
This make a good notes, good collection of knowledge, but until and unless you practice, you repeat, you inculcate in your day-to-day life or routine, this will not make uh, this will not convert into your hobby
Yes.
or habit or any day-to-day life. So you need to more practice, speak instead of just writing all the thing. Okay, so wrong pronunciation can change meaning and cause confusion. So practice difficult sounds, listen to native pronunciation. Then only your understanding will increase and pronunciation will get improved. So these
Yes.
mistakes you'll need to overcome. What, you don't need to rely on translation, you don't need to do all the time writing. You don't need to learn English like you
Yes.
have learned Hindi. And you don't need to learn English as a subject. You need to learn English as a language, then only you will able to speak. Now the
Yes.
last and the most important mistake, uh, one of mistakes, not reviewing and learning from feedback. Let's suppose I have given you some
Yes.
suggestion, like don't learn English as a subject, learn English as a language. Means don't
Yes.
too much focus on grammatical rule. Just practice different situation, different context, to try to try to uh, practice pronunciation, try to
Yes.
pronounce difficult words, try to listen native speakers. But you are not you know following all the rules, you are not following the feedbacks, then you will not
Yes.
going to improve your English, because you are not improving the where the problem is actually, so you will not
Yeah.
improve. So without feedback, mistake repeat, you will not going to improve your English. So what action you'll need to do? You'll need to record yourself, get feedback from a trainer, or correct the errors. Okay, like a Jethalal, every time he used to speak Newton, basically it's
Yes.
Newton, right? So Bhide always try to correct Jethalal, but he is the person don't want to learn from others.
Yeah.
So you don't be a Jethalal. You should be a Tarak Mehta. समझदार.
Yes.
Okay, so these are all mistakes. If you are doing, you'll need to overcome all these mistakes. Now, before the next point, I need to connect my laptop with the charger. So just a minute, I'm coming.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, hello, Gajendra, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so now the next point which I want to explain here, myths. Mistakes
Yeah.
and myths. Myths are a little bit when you don't have proper knowledge about something, you just assume and start
Yeah.
working on something. That is a myth. So now you'll you'll need to break your myths. Some pre
Yes.
beliefs most of the Hindi medium students and our students make on their mind, and this is a great hurdle for all our students who are from Hindi medium and small town. They think that English is you know too much. So
Yes.
you'll need to first rewire your brain, your thought, your belief. Then only you will able to boost your confidence. You will try to speak, otherwise you will think English as like a pahad, then you will get crash under the pahad.
Yes.
So my family background matters. I didn't grow up speaking English, family, parents, so I can't learn. Because many students say, sir, in our house every Everyone used to speak in Chhattisgarhi, Hindi. I didn't get any
Yeah.
chance to speak in English. So how can I learn? How will I speak in English? So the truth is your background doesn't decide your future skill. You'll need to take
Yes.
ownership. You'll need to take responsibility. Okay, whatever the resources my parents, my fathers, my family members has given to me, that's enough for me. From now onwards, for English language, I will learn whatever the resource I have. I will utilize my mobile, my
Yes.
uh, you know money, energy, time, my friends.
Mm.
So these things you'll need to determine. So take ownership of your learning and start where you are right now. Now the second myth students generally put in their mind: I studied in Hindi medium school, so I can't learn English.
Yes.
This is also a very important point. When you study any English medium school, what happen when you not study in English medium school? Let me tell you. Whatever the textbook you had been reading, or you you know you had read on your before the 12th class, all the textbook
Yes.
exams was held on the Hindi language, right?
Yes.
So you have lots of new words on your brain which is get saved in the Hindi language,
Yes.
like all the objects, all the constitution words, every kind of words
Yes.
you have learned through the Hindi language. So if you had chance to study in English medium schools, definitely you don't need to work too much on vocabulary, grammatical rule, or listening practice, because you have already done if you are from English medium school. But now one thing, let me tell you, now if you are try to learn English language, you also need to listen more, you need to give time, you need to read that much notebook, or you need to make your
Yes.
environment that kind of thing from onwards, today onwards, then only you will able to learn. So you'll need to little bit change your environment, like if you are using mobile, you'll need to set up all the settings, features, option in English language. Even the
Yes.
podcast and the content you are consuming day to day life, you'll need to watch in English language. This will help a lot, trust me. the friends
Yes.
the friends which you are used to talk, if they can talk in English, try to make them speak in English, try to fight them with English language. Okay, if he is
Yes.
not supporting, give them chai coffee trip.
Yes.
Still, if
I can.
if he is not supporting you, then someday mix some jar on their tea. Then only he will understand how you are frustrating
Yes.
about this English language, but he is making fun of it. You. So that is also a very important point. Okay, it's just a part of joke. Let's continue.
Yeah.
So many Hindi medium students speak excellent English. There are so many students who are basically from Hindi medium, but they got chance, environment, friends. That's why they have learned English quickly and very fast. So they
Yes.
use bilingual learning at first. Yeah, don't try to speak each and every words in English. Like, I am just explaining whatever the thing I want to explain. Sometime I used to speak in Hindi, like pahad, deb, and jethalal. So these are the Hindi words, right?
Yes.
So first In the first step, you are very beginner, use bilingual language, Hindi and English, then switch fully on English language gradually. So don't think that if you are a Hindi medium student, then you will not able to learn English language. That's not a um, you know don't need to make your mindset rigid. Yeah, the only
Yes.
thing is you need to change your surrounding, your environment, the person, the content, uh, you know where you are spending your time.
Yeah.
Great. This is our the second myth generally students carry on their mind. Now the third myth is, I am too old to learn English. Sometime what happen, our students who has already graduated, they have
Yes.
done all the study, they have expended too much time on their girlfriends, and they not get didn't get any job because of English language. Then now he has joined our, they are trying to learn this English language, so they have wasted their too much time on theoretical knowledge, college time, everywhere.
Yes.
Now they, they are saying that I am too old to learn English language, because any language if you want to learn, it's required some time, right?
Yes.
If you are able to, if you are able to give some time, or if you have time, then you can learn any language, any age, any time. Because the fact is, or the matter most is time. Whether you are a teenager, where you are an adult, or you are in your 20s 30s, you need to give
Yes.
times. If you are a working person, if you are a working professional, if you are a married person, so you don't have much time in comparison to a
Yes.
bachelor or a school going student, college going student. They have lots of time, right? They don't need to think about earning, they don't need to think about family, children's, so
Yes.
they can give more times. That's why they learn quickly. But if you are working professional, if you are married person, then you'll need to make time to learn any language, similarly to learn English
Yes.
language. So you are not too old to learn this language. So adult can learn faster because they understand concept better. This is not right. Use your life
Yes.
experience to connect ideas and learn smarter. So anyways, you'll need to give the time. Now I must learn all the grammar before I start speaking. This is also very
Yes.
important, and right, very important. And most of our Hindi medium students think that this myth they have put it on their mind and carrying for long years. They try
Yes.
to learn all the grammars, they are watching grammatical videos on YouTube, they are making notes, they are reading many books, they are just in the book they have explained every grammatical rule, but not able to speak. So I must learn
Yes.
all the grammar before I start speaking. This is also a myth. Grammar is important, but speaking is a skill. You need to develop by speaking, not by waiting for the perfection. So start speaking now. Learn grammar along with the way. Now, myth number 5. Only living abroad can make me fluent. Now, you are not able to leave your village, you are not able to leave your house, and you are thinking
Yes.
if you live in abroad, then you will be fluent, right?
Yes.
So, uh, sell your kidney, collect some money, and go to
Money
collect some money and go to
abroad.
abroad. That is only way, na. If you have a good friend,
Yes.
sell their
The only way.
property.
No, I don't have just such legs.
So then go abroad and learn English fluently. Bro, this is not possible. You have just born and brought up in the village area, a small town, a small, you know middle class family, but you have big dream, big aim in your life. So this is not a way to think like, if I live in abroad, then only I can learn this language. No, this is not. This is very narrow minded.
Yes.
Now we have internet, we can listen, we can connect with any person, any part of the world, right? So through,
Yes.
you can create a English rich environment anywhere. So surround yourself with the English podcasts, videos, speaking partners, and learn this language and do practice. Then it will make you
Yes.
fluent. So this is no, if you have money, if you have a parents who can send you abroad, if you have there any opportunity where you can live in abroad, go and learn. Okay. Otherwise, find a friend
Yes.
or sell your kidney. Now, next myth is, if I study for many years, I'll automatically speak fluently. Now, from your childhood, you have learned only one English sentence. May I come in, sir? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. May go out, sir. Bus.
Yes.
Right? Now, from 12 years, more than 15 years, you are saying the same sentence. But why you are not able to speak other things? Why you are not able to describe yourself as an intro? Why you are not able to describe over your father, your family members, your about the place where you have born and brought, about your village, hometown? Because you have never practiced, you have never thought about all these things, situations. So the truth, you can study for 10 years, still struggle if you don't speak. So make,
Sir, I just said take a 2 minutes.
okay, okay, just come fast, I'm waiting.
Yes, sir, let's continue.
Okay, you said 2 minutes.
No, just 2 seconds.
Okay, so if you want to speak fluently, then you'll need to speak more and more. You'll need to, let's suppose, brother, if you want to improve your dancing skills, then you need to dance, right?
Yes.
If you want to good at cooking, then you need to cook many type of foods, many times you need to repeat. Similarly, if you want to improve your speaking, you need to speak.
Yeah.
So that is a most important thing. If you are only dreaming something, if you are only thinking and not executing, then your English will not get improved.
Yes.
And now the last myth, according to our slide, making mistake means I am bad at English. Yes, the most important thing, shyness, embarrassment, fear of embarrassment, fear of shyness. If you will make mistake in English, somebody will kill you. They will, hang you in चौक चौराहा, फांसी लगा।
Yes.
इस लेवल का embarrassment and डर. So making mistakes means not, you are not bad at English, but you are trying to improve your English. It's a gesture, it's a sign of you are trying to learn this language.
Yes.
You are on progress. So every time you'll need to say yourself that I am just trying to learn this language. I am a learner. So definitely I'll make mistake if I'll right now I'm a
Yes.
student, that's why I'm learning. If I was, or I have already given some time, I have studied in English medium school, my parents always speak in English, my surrounds people speak in English. If I'm not able to speak English, that is a bad thing. But you are
Yes.
just trying. If nobody is trying to speak in English along with you or your family members, your friends, but you are trying, means you are learning. That's why you are making mistakes. So that is a positive sign, not a mistake. So
Yes.
mistakes are proof you are learning. Keep a mistake notebook and learn from them. Take, if
Yes.
anybody correct you, take as a feedback, not as a embarrassment or as a criticism. Take as a feedback.
Yes.
Okay, so these all are the myths. If you are following this, if you these are the myth, if you have in your mind, you'll need to let go, then only
Okay.
you will able to learn. And now, what are the challenges every student, every English learner face? Challenge number 1: limited vocabulary. You
Yes.
know everything in your mother tongue or Hindi language. Generally in our surrounding we speak everything in Hindi, right?
Yes.
Like let's suppose from morning to evening, morning to night, what are the things you generally interact in your day to life? Like bed, shoes, socks, soap, mirror, comb, towel,
Mm.
shirt, cycle, bike, car. Even that cycle has too many parts, car has too many parts, bus has too
Yes.
many parts, in your house has different objects, in your body has different parts. So you have lots of things you already know in Hindi. The only thing is you need to learn on all the things name or all the objects name, all the parts name in English. So I will teach you how you can improve your vocabulary. Okay, so if you
Yes.
don't have a right of vocabulary, you will not able to convey your thought, your message, whatever the things you want to tell someone. So that is a very important.
Yes.
Don't worry, I will teach you how you can improve your vocabulary. I have a 100% uh, steps to improve anybody's
Yes.
vocabulary. So this is the first challenge you will face. The second challenge: translating from the mother tongue to before speaking Hindi to English. Like Hindi, you will try to translate into English. So trust me, if you try to learn so many grammar, it will make slow and you will not speak naturally. So I will
Yes.
teach all the grammatical rule, like in through the conversation practice, not directly grammatical rule. So translation slow your fluency and create unnatural sentences. So practice thinking in English with everyday objects and situation. This will make your English super. Okay,
Yes.
so based on situation we will practice. We will not more focus on translating, but we will focus more on situation based. Weak grammar understanding. Yeah, weak grammar understanding means, if let's suppose, brother, grammar is important. Like salt is
Yes.
important in food, but too much salt
Yes.
will make salty your food, right? And you will not able
Yes.
to eat. So grammar, if you learn only grammar, then भगवान जाने, ठीक है, you will not able
Yes.
to speak naturally. You will just try to speak only okay, yeah, but okay, that's बस आप when somebody will say, you will only speak conjunctions not even a proper sentence. So this will make it will not make you natural. Let's suppose somebody is asking how was your day, means he is
Yes.
asking about your day, like which has gone, right?
Yes.
And let's suppose how will be tomorrow, your day will be tomorrow, आपका दिन कैसा होगा. So if you not have a good understanding of grammar rule, then you are going to
Mm.
miss the sentence or answer, right?
Yeah.
So too much understand grammar is also important, then only you will understand other person what they are trying to say. So I will cover the grammar rules which are very important. You know, Gajendra,
Yes.
I am surrounded by so many machars
Yeah, okay with that.
because I am right now outside of my room. Okay, I'll take 15 minutes more. Do you have time? Will we continue?
Yes, I do. What I have.
Okay, let's continue then. I'll finish this today's demo slide. Okay,
Okay.
so let's continue. The challenge number 4: lack of speaking partner. Now you can see this boy. He is sitting in cafeteria alone. Maybe he is thinking someone, but right now he is thinking about a partner which he can share here problem of English speaking. He is not sharing his problem with like some he can go for date and anything, but he is trying to learn his language
Yes.
because he is not able to speak in English. That's why he don't have any GF.
Okay.
That is also main problem. If you are, so that is also very important point. If you don't
Yeah.
speak English, then don't think about GF.
Okay.
You'll need to go village side and you'll need to choose from that area only. So you can still practice.
Okay.
Yeah. So Gajendra, you without a partner, like
Yes.
without going any date, there are so many AI tools you can leverage or you can use. So you can talk to yourself in front of mirror. In front of mirror you can say how 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 are the which kind of person you are, yeah. Like you are learning English now, you should learn before, you should improve your vocabulary, grammar, sentence. So you should scold yourself first in front of mirror,
Yes.
then you will get motivation. So that is the first way, talk to yourself. Other thing, you can use Chat GPT, Gemini, their voice feature to speak. And you can also join online English speaking class like me.
Yes.
Groups are क्या और so there are so many groups, English speaking groups. You can join that group, and there are so many learners who are very frustrated, who are very eager to learn, improve their communication. So they will put their time, energy and resource. So it is beneficial, right? If you will say somebody who are not interested to learn English language, so he will beat you sometime. Always you make me you like waste my time like that, right? Let's suppose, brother,
Yes.
you are trying to improve your English. That's why you have joined today's class, right?
Yeah.
To find someone who are interested, so you need to join some group. So I'll share some groups information,
Yes.
then you can join and you can practice. Now the next challenge you will face: no English environment. I will teach you, I will make you practice all the
Yeah.
conversation situation, but you will go to your village even and you will try to speak in English. Nobody will understand.
No. Nobody.
So you will go to any भैंसिया के पास and you will speak. They will only respond, हाँ okay.
No.
It's happened, bro. So whether you speak fluently or bad English, you are a gentleman in village area.
Yes.
So brother, if you are so don't use your English language on village side. Talk with mother tongue and local language, but find some group, find some like app where you will get a person environment who are they are eager to improve their English, searching for partner and practice. So that is a challenge you will face. So if you are village area, you can use that
Hello.
apps.